Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and what's happened here is we've re-engaged the upper band, and it's continuing to ride it. You see the 9-day there. You see the middle band. It's marching. It is continuing to march. On the hourly chart, we had this compression area. They faked it to the downside, and they broke it out and expanded it to the upside. You had mid-band support Friday, basically before the bell, and then we spent most of Friday just grinding to the upside. A little bit of give back into the close. That's called profit taking. And then flat for most of Globex, but they couldn't take out 32.26. I put out a long against that area. We're long in the 27s. We took some profits this morning on that pop up to new highs, and now we still have 2/3 of it, and we're just letting it work with an even stop. So if they want to run it up the rest of the day, if they don't want to head back to those 26, 27s, we got a free look at the rest of the day. It is Christmas week. Happy holidays. Hanukkah started last night. Christmas is Wednesday, so happy holidays to all. I believe, Kwanzaa is Thursday. So it's gonna slow down. It's already slowing down. Today is a full day. Christmas Eve is a half day. Wednesday closed. Thursday, Friday are normal days. So, you're gonna see things slow down. I'm trading today. I'm traveling tomorrow. Wednesday is Christmas. Then, I'm around Thursday and Friday. But my situation is probably pretty typical out there. So you're going to see some slowdown in volume. Maybe not necessarily a slowdown in volatility. We'll have to see. But today is the last full day of trading before the holidays. So understand that. And if things do slow down, there's no reason for you to be at your desk hyper trading away when the market really doesn't want to trade. If the market doesn't want to trade, why do you? Okay, that's always the kind of the rule that I've tried to keep in my mind, and that's helpful, especially for new traders. You feel like, well, I'm here, I'm sitting at my desk, I have to do something. Well, okay, if you have to do something, that's great. I can list about 50 things that you could do, and trading won't be on that list. Okay, you can get your business plan together for next year. Get your trading plan together for next year. You can review your trading journal from this year. What did I do right? What did I do wrong? What do I want to do more of? What do I want to do less of? There's a million things you can be doing this time of year when the markets slow down and the tape doesn't want to be traded. Okay? Rather than banging your head into a wall trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. So, we'll see what we have today. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. There will be no webcast tomorrow, no webcast Wednesday. The webcast will be back on Thursday. So, like I said, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Have a great Festivus, the whole thing. Take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you Thursday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.